The first thing you notice is the scale. This machine is an absolute tank. The die-cast aluminum alloy frame feels incredibly rigid, significantly more so than the K1 Max. It's heavy, nearly 40 kilograms with the CFS, so don't plan on moving it often. The aesthetics are industrial premium. The heavy glass door seals with a satisfying thud, which is essential for the active heating chamber. However, I encountered a practical annoyance immediately. The CFS unit sits on top by default, making the total height nearly a meter. If you have shelving above your desk, you're in trouble. I actually had to move it to the floor at one point because the inertia from the print head throwing itself around at high speeds caused my standard IKEA desk to wobble, introducing Z-banding artifacts. You need a rock-solid surface for this machine.